Tariffs are impacting showrooms, with new car prices climbing steadily. Dealerships keep this list under wraps because these vehicles don't bring in parts revenue warranty disputes or marathon repair bills. They just keep going. These 17 cars are battle-tested survivors, blending seamlessly into the market, some even getting better over time. Which one's the hidden gem? Stick around as we reveal them all. The Toyota Corolla remains the top pick for commuters, rideshare drivers and delivery fleets for a reason it simply won't quit. A new Corolla sets you back over $22,000, but models from 2003 to 2008 can be snagged for under $5,000. That gets you one of Toyota's most dependable engines, a 1.8 L4 cylinder known to cruise past 200,000 miles with basic upkeep. Repair costs average just $362 a year, strikingly low even among compact sedans. It delivers 30 miles per gallon in combined driving, saving cash long after it's paid off. Consumer Reports repeatedly ranks this generation among the most reliable compact cars ever built. Owners push these vehicles to limits most cars never see, and aside from minor oil consumption in early models, major issues are rare. This is the car you pass down, not trade away. If the Corolla is the master of simplicity, the next contender is its sportier rival, lasting just as long, if not longer. The Honda Civic isn't just reliable, it's crafted with endurance at its core. Models from 2006 to 2011 consistently shine in owner surveys as some of the most trustworthy used cars under $5,000. Its 1.8 L4 cylinder engine easily surpasses 200,000 miles. Better yet, its maintenance needs are lighter than most competitors, with data showing just 0.2 unscheduled shop visits annually. That translates to fewer unexpected repairs and more time on the road. Annual repair costs hover around $368 among the lowest for compact cars. You'll get up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, perfect for daily commutes. Early versions had engine block cracking, but Honda fixed this with extended warranties, and most affected units are now repaired. The Civic combines low ownership costs with lively handling and robust build quality. If you're after a car built for the long haul, this is it. But the Civic's compact size might not work for everyone. If you need a mid-size sedan with similar dependability and more interior room, one vehicle tops every mechanic's list. The Toyota Camry takes the Corolla's DNA and refines it into a durable mid-size sedan. Models from 1997 to 2006 offer unmatched longevity under $5,000, with many running past 250,000 miles on original drivetrains. These Camrys use a 2.2 L4 cylinder or a 3.0 LV6. Regular oil changes, timing belts, and brake service keep them humming. Some V6 models had oil sludge issues, but only when maintenance was skipped. Interior materials hold up impressively after 2 decades with plastic staying intact seats, remaining supportive, and electronics rarely failing. Low insurance rates, affordable parts, and a straightforward design make the Camry a favourite for budget-conscious drivers and DIY mechanics. If the Corolla is the everyman's ride and the Civic the spirited overachiever, the Camry is the reliable friend who's always on time. For those craving a bit more driving excitement, there's a standout choice. If you're finding this rundown of dependable cars helpful, please hit subscribe and help drive Fed Danny reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Your support fuels more of the latest automotive news. We scoured mechanic forums, auction data, and driver feedback to pinpoint the rare cars that truly last. The Honda Accord adds a touch of driving joy to its enduring formula. For under $5,000, models from 2003 to 2007 offer exceptional value in the mid-size segment. Their 2.4 L4 cylinder engine, paired with a timing chain, cuts long-term costs and hassle, often exceeding 250,000 miles without major repairs. RepairPal ranks it first among 24 mid-size sedans for reliability, with yearly repair costs around $400. Drivers praise its road manners, spacious interior, and lasting cabin quality. Early V6 models had transmission issues, but 4-cylinder versions are nearly trouble-free. With 23 miles per gallon in the city and 31 on the highway, it's a fuel-efficient family sedan with ample cargo space. If you want a sedan blending personality and practicality, the Accord hits the mark. For those seeking full-size comfort space and Toyota-grade reliability, one vehicle stands out. The Toyota Avalon may look plain, but delivers full-size sedan comfort without the headaches. Models from 2001 to 2005 fall below $5,000 with a 3.0 LV6 engine that runs past 250,000 miles on routine oil changes. Annual maintenance costs average $463, ranking it third in its class for reliability. The 4-speed automatic is smooth and shares parts with other Toyota models, making replacements affordable and easy to find. The interior offers near-Lexus refinement with a quiet cabin plush ride and generous space front and rear. Some older Avalons show cosmetic wear like cracked dashboards or tired suspension bushings, but these don't dent its legendary longevity. If you're after big car comfort without premium stress, the Avalon excels. If that sounds appealing, wait till you see what Toyota delivers when it builds a luxury car intentionally. The Lexus S300/ES330 eliminates fears of costly breakdowns. Built from 2002 to 2006, these mid-size luxury sedans bring Lexus refinement with Toyota reliability under $5,000. Sharing the Camry platform, they use 3.0L or 3.3 LV6 engines that surpass 200,000 miles with standard care. Maintenance costs average $468, a fraction of what German luxury brands demand. Ranked 4th among 31 mid-size luxury cars for reliability, minor electrical quirks or transmission hesitation are uncommon. The quiet cabin, plush leather seats, and smooth ride prioritize comfort over flash. If you want luxury without the stress, this is the smartest path. For those needing versatility, efficiency, and practicality in a small package, the next car delivers. The Honda Fit is among the toughest subcompacts ever built. Models from 2007 to 2013 cost under $5,000 with a 1.5 L 4-cylinder engine that exceeds 200,000 miles. Its timing chain eliminates costly belt replacements. The Fit offers 57.3 cubic feet of cargo space via its magic seat system and 33 to 35 miles per gallon. Annual repair costs average $390, ranking it 4th among 21 subcompacts. Minor ignition coil or power steering issues are cheap fixes. Lightweight and nimble, it's perfect for city drivers or first-time buyers. The next car hides Toyota's strengths in a quirky shell. The Scion XB looks odd, but is one of Toyota's most durable vehicles. Built from 2004 to 2006, the first-generation XB uses a 1.5L engine from the Toyota Echo, proven over hundreds of thousands of miles. Maintenance costs average $386 a year cheaper than many economy sedans with 31 miles per gallon combined. Parts are widely available and affordable. High ceilings, High ceilings, a flat floor, and seating for 4 adults make it practical. Minor oil consumption or VVT solenoid issues don't break the bank. For Toyota reliability in a unique package, the XB shines. The next vehicle is a Toyota in disguise. The Pontiac Vibe looks like an American hatchback that runs like a Toyota, sharing parts with the Corolla and Matrix. Built from 2003 to 2010, its 1.8 L 4-cylinder engine hits 200,000 miles with basic care. Fuel economy averages 30 to 34 miles per gallon, and reliability ranks high among compact hatchbacks. With folding seats and ample cargo space, it's a smart pick for Toyota reliability at a lower price. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to Drive Fit Denny and help us hit 1,000 subscribers for more automotive news. For driving fun without sacrificing dependability, the Mazda 3 delivers. Built from 2004 to 2013 first and second generation models, offer engaging handling and robust engineering under $5,000. The 2.0L or 2.3 L 4-cylinder engines handle high mileage with regular oil changes. Later models improved rust resistance and repair costs average under $400 yearly. Crisp steering and tight suspension make it a joy to drive. For a reliable car that's not dull, the Mazda 3 stands out. For luxury on a budget, the Lincoln NKZ surprises. Early 2010 models dip below $5,000 with a 3.5 LV6 engine delivering 263 horsepower. Loaded with heated and cooled seats, leather upholstery, and a premium sound system, it feels high-end. Fuel economy hits 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Sharing parts with the Ford Fusion keeps maintenance costs below $500 a year. Minor power steering leaks or transmission hesitation are rare. For high-end comfort without high repair bills, the MKZ is a smart buy. The Toyota RAV4 blends car-like comfort with SUV utility. Models from 2001 to 2005 cost under $5,000 with 2.0L or 2.4L four-cylinder engines exceeding 200,000 miles. Parts are affordable and maintenance costs hover around $400. Fuel economy reaches 25 miles per gallon, combined with all-wheel drive available for colder climates. Early transmission issues were fixed with software updates. For reliable SUV ownership, the RAV4 excels. The Honda CR-V scales Civic reliability into a compact SUV. Models from 2004 to 2009 cost under $5,000 with a 2.4L K-Series engine known for durability. Fuel economy averages 24 miles per gallon, combined with real-time all-wheel drive for light off-road or winter conditions. Tall cargo space and flat folding seats add versatility. Maintenance is low and parts are widely available. For a trusted crossover, the CR-V delivers. The Toyota Highlander from 2001 to 2007 offers Camry reliability in a roomier package under $5,000. With a 2.4L four-cylinder or 3.3 LV6, it achieves 23 miles per gallon combined. Oil sludge in V6 models is rare with proper care. For Camry comfort in an SUV, the Highlander shines. The Toyota 4Runner is a legend for reliability and off-road prowess. Third-generation models from 1996 to 2002 and early fourth-generation from 2003 to 2004 hit 300,000 miles with 4L or 4.0 LV6 engines. Head gasket issues in earlier models can be found under $5,000 for wintry climates or versatility. Maintenance costs are reasonable, but watch for frame rust Prius in redefined reliability for its hybrid system. The 4Runner stands tall. Second-generation models from 2004 to 2007 to 2010 under $5,000 miles for under $5,000, and hybrid Synergy drive reaching 600,000 miles in some pride offer year-round capability. Fuel economy averages 22 miles per gallon with repair costs battery under replacements are now affordable. For future issues in earlier models, reliability, the Prius leads. For wintry climates or versatility, 17 cars that refuse to break down. Which is your favourite? Prius, share in the comments and subscribe to Drive News Network to help us reach second-generation models from 2004 to 2009. For more of the latest automotive news. $5,000 Thanks for watching. With a 1.5L engine and hybrid Synergy drive reaching 600,000 miles in some pride. Cases. Fuel economy hits 50 miles per gallon with low maintenance costs. Battery replacements are now affordable. For futuristic savings and reliability, the Prius leads. Now you've seen 17 cars that refuse to break down. Which is your favourite? Share in the comments and subscribe to Drive Fed Danny to help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Follow for more of the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching